grab the hammer, some nails, and build this place.
Yes, I did.
Absolutely. We're at 44 Crestwood Street in Chicopee here. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your look. All right, I like it. We're starting here in this great kitchen.
Yeah, this kitchen has a huge center island and quartz countertops.
Right around the corner, an enormous pantry, and we've got a half bath on the first, and of course, right here is a 2-car garage.
Yeah, let's go back through the kitchen to the large living room with a gas fireplace. Check out this large open concept and these amazing wood floors.
Let's head on upstairs.
We have 2 bedrooms over here at the end of the hallway with a really large closet.
Awesome, love this place. Listing Liz, yeah, did it again. This place is looking spectacular. Nice new construction here in Chicopee. And as we come back down the hallway, we have another bedroom and the full bath.
Yeah, let's keep on walking down the hallway and check out this second floor laundry.
Great, all right, and the primary 2 large closets.
And a huge bathroom with a stand-up shower, all tiled.
If you'd like a private tour, hit Liz up. She is here to show you around. If you'd like some financing options on this new construction, there are some special financing options available. Hit me up, I'm right here. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and Listing Liz. This has been your local look. Thanks, Chicopee, for having us. We're out of here.